Hi everybody, I'm Laurie from the Ostrander branch of the Delaware County District Library, and we're here again for Kids Cookbook Club. Okay, the first thing we're going to do today is wash our hands. So remember, like we did last time, push the pause button, run wash your hands, come back, I'll be here, okay? Good, okay. Hey, welcome, I'm glad you washed your hands. Today we're going to make, I don't know if you can see that, pigs in a blanket. It's a little croissant, kind you get in the grocery store, with a little hot dog on the inside. But we also made 3 variations, which I'll show you. So you get your little croissant rolls to start to make these. Open them up. And you want to gently unroll them. Remember, always do this with parental supervision, unless you're a teenager, and then maybe still. Okay, just break them off into little triangles. See, it looks like a pizza. I'm going to break this one off, break this one off. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is the hot dog. I'm going to put it in the big end, okay? I'm going to lay it right up against there and roll it up. There, okay? We'll put that down. We're going to put that on our cookie sheet, ungreased, at 375 for about 9 minutes. That's where you have your parents' help. Okay, the next one we're going to do is a little apple pie. You get a slice of apple. Have your parents help you slice that too. And then you can get some cinnamon if you'd like. A little sugar if you want, but I'm trying to not put sugar on it because I want it to be healthy. And sugar is okay in small amounts, but you don't want too much. Okay, there's the apple with the cinnamon. Roll it up so it looks like your hot dog one. Put that on the pan. Okay, the next one is not necessarily healthy, but really yummy. You get a few chocolate chips. Got some chocolate chips in there. You don't want too many or they'll leak out the side. See, just kind of spread that on there. And then same thing at the big end. Roll it up nice and tight. Don't stretch the dough though. You got yourself a little crescent. Okay, and the last one, same thing. Get your last slice, or, well, it's not your last one, but get your slice. Put a little jelly on there, not too much. I found out it will leak out the sides. Okay, that's probably a little much, but it'll still taste good. Roll her up. Put them on the pan, and just like the directions say on the package, 375 for 9 to 12 minutes. And then when you take them out of the oven, they look like, they're going to fall here with my camera, they look like that. I'm going to slice them in half so you can see what they look like on the inside. Okay, that one has a little jelly in it. This one has a little apple in it. This one is the one I'm waiting for, chocolate. And this one has the hot dog. So there you go. Have fun, be safe, and I'll see you next time for Kids Cookbook Club. Bye guys, see you later.